because, with that sandbox assignment, if I can go back to it briefly, I can do things like count how many times the word of appears, right? So if I create a function that says find of, okay, and I give it a text as a input, first thing I need to do is split it. AR words equals str text split. Oop. And then I'm going to go through each one and ask if that's the word of. For str word in AR words, and we are going to say, I'm not going to use is it equal, because that's not great. Str equal found count. Okay. And I'm going to go a little more sophisticated here. I'm going to allow the user to supply the word we're looking for or the word we're counting as a string. So it'll find whatever I want. Found count equals 0. We're going to start at 0. And we're going to say if str word find or is it count? My gosh, I'm just confusing myself here. It's a list method, so it is find. It's a string. Okay, that's what I want. I want the string because I'm looking in each individual string, find, and I'm going to use str target as the word. Then we're going to go str found count. Okay, and we're just looking for it to not be -1, not equal to -1. We're going to add 1 to the found count. And then when it's done, we're going to return the found count. And that should not be a string, it should be an int. Sorry, breaking my own rules here. You'd be a lot more proud of me if you realized that I can barely walk and chew gum at the same time. So now I'm going to change this from find of to find word. And I'm going to say actually count words, because that's what I'm actually doing, count words. So let's see if it works. So I'm going to say print count words, and I'm going to give it the str swift, and I'm going to say how many times does the word of appear in that text. It appears 3 times. Okay, we can ignore those down here. I'll just comment those out. It appears 3 times. Let's see how many times it appears in Lincoln's. Lincoln has 28 times the word of. Let's see, freedom doesn't appear at all in Lincoln's. Let's see if Swift talks about freedom at all. Neither. So anyhow, that gives us now the ability to count the occurrence of certain kinds of words.